Hello mga peoples! Welcome to my channel, Ideas Ko TV. Enjoy watching!
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat mga people. So today we are here again and we have this Asian arowana freshwater. Do you know that this is really good luck and wealth prosperity in our home? And also they live longer life like 10 to 20 or 25 years. It depends on how you taking care of them. And they grow 3 feet length. Before this is is still small, but now after 6 months this is the length of this arowana Asian. And they are eating smaller fish and some insects. And the gallon required 150 minimum for this arowana Asian. Only once a day we give food for the adult, but if it's still small, the Asian arowana, we can give 2 times once a day.
Thank you for watching mga people. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless everyone. Until the next videos.